How to add AC Renew on a system. This is my Nu-Calgon Injector tool. First, open your injector tool. Close the hand valve. Connect the tool to the low side. Make sure to bleed the tool. Pour the AC Renew in the injector tool. Close the tool. Time to use your gauges. Connect the red hose to the high side. Connect the yellow hose to the injector tool. Turn on the AC. Open the hand valve. Open high side of the manifold for 3 seconds and close. Repeat the process for 1 minute. Once you are done, take out the red hose. Wait for pressures to stabilize. Close the hand valve and take the yellow hose out. Bleed the injector tool. Do you think is difficult or easy?